Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 3. Textbook page number 32. The topic is subtraction with boring. On page number 32, build up question number 1. Subtract the following. Question A is 659, 289. You have to subtract 289 from 659. So just look at here. 9 subtract 9, it can be subtract, but 5 and 8 can't be subtract from 5. So in these cases where we can't subtract a larger number from a smaller number, so we subtract by regrouping. Regrouping means we will take 1 from this 6, we will take away 1 from the 6 and we will make a regrouping of 5. It will become 15. These questions can be subtract by regrouping like ones, tens and 100. Now 9 subtract 9, the answer is 0. When you will subtract 9 from the 9, nothing will remain, so we will write here the 0. Now 5 subtract 8, it can't be subtract, so we will make regrouping. Regrouping means we will take 1 from this 6 and it will become 15. Here the 5 will remain. Now subtract 8 from this 15, so the answer will be 7, so we will write here the 7. 5 minus 2, we will subtract 2 from this 5, not the 6. Okay, now subtract 2 from this 5, the answer will be 3. Now part B. Now you have 3 here and the 5 here. 5 is a greater value than 3, so you have to make regrouping here. So you will take 1 away from this 2 and it will become 13. Here the 1 will remain. Now subtract 5 from the 13, the answer will be 8. Now here, look at here, there is 1 remaining. Now you can't subtract 8 from this 1, so again you will take 1 from this 8 to make it 11, and here the 7 will remain. Now you have to subtract this 8 from this 11. The answer will be 3, and 1 from 7, the answer is 6. The answer is 638. Now you have this all of questions C, D, E, F, G and H. There are the solved questions. You can match your answers with it or you can take the help from it. Now the question from Brush Up, question 2, subtract the following. We are not doing the question 1 because we are doing the textbook work, so we will solve it on textbook, the question number 2. Subtract the following. Now this is the also same question. The difference is there are the 1000 values. Now look at here, you can't subtract 5 from the 1, so you will take 1 from this 3. So when you will take 1 from this 3, it will become 2 and it will become 11. Now subtract 5 from the 11, the answer is 6. You will write the 6 at the place of unit. Now there are 2 and it's 5. You can't subtract 5 from the 2, so you will take again 1 from this 9. After borrowing 1 from this 9, it will become 8 and it will become 12. Subtract 5 from this 12, the answer is 7. 4 from this 8, the answer is 4, and here the 3 will come. Now with the same process you have to solve these questions on your textbook.